No, I think Jacob's trying to steal my look. Hey, look, he's got a bald head, now he's holding the camera. Do you think you're me, do you?
Wait till he starts drumming in a hardcore beat.
Do you know how to use the aperture?
He hasn't learned that yet.
Do you know how to use the ISO?
I'm using it right now.
Do you know what we're doing?
You're doing the beelines, aren't you?
Yeah, we're doing the beelines.
Well, keep doing the beelines and leave me be.
Alright. See you, mate. Sorry, buddy.
See ya.
Yeah.
What's going on here?
So you got that on.
Yeah.
Doing the fucking Mr. flow.
Go for it. Yeah, up to you.
What else you got?
Just for the sake of it.
Trying to learn the redial.
Mate, have you got pictures?
Picture's nice.
You're not fucking helpful either. Pictures and numbers, I don't need numbers.
Yeah, so we've got these misters here, right?
Yeah.
What are they going to do?
Probably caused me a fucking headache.
Do you want to explain to the viewing audience what a mister does, in case they didn't know?
Oh, it just makes it feels like it's comfortable in here when it's really hot.
Yep.
Hopefully people will come. Yeah.
A little pilot cross.
We were meant to do this ages ago and we never got to it.
I recall spending about 40 minutes at Bunnings staring at the misters with you, trying to figure out what to use.
Yeah, it was good fun.
And then you were just like, nah, let's just go, we'll get another time.
Yeah, and then, and stuff happened.
Yeah.
Oh, we got them. Anyway, I'm just like, I'm fucking really... Right, we'll just start. That's how we're gonna do it.
Start?
We're just gonna start.
Alright.
See this one here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna mark this. This
X
is
marks
that fucking, this is that drain adapter thing.
Oh.
Yeah, see the difference? It's already marked. So that's the bit that's gonna go at the lowest point.
Oh.
Yeah.
With the drip spot.
Little drip spot. Alright. Going back. Let's go get some zip ties. And some fucking something to cut with.
Alright. Shane's left me. He's left, so I've got to try and figure this out on my own.
Busy man. It's alright.
It's alright. I got this. I believe in myself.
What are you doing then? Show YouTube? You gonna...
I am running the first line of hoses. Oh, there he is. Dave's name he appears.
What's happening?
We're just talking about you.
Yeah. I'm doing every 70 on this side.
Yeah.
So it'll be about 4.
Try and put one like
Through the little hole.
no, don't go through the fucking hole. Just like right along the fucking end there. So it just stays in place.
Yeah. On that one I've sort of done on that bit of an angle there.
That's alright.
Yeah, I'll put one.
Yeah, you put it there and then
I'll do the next one and then do it.
you can't forget to clip the fucking things as you go.
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
This is all pretty plug and play this year, is it, Jacob?
Yep. Pretty much. We spent ages looking at them.
Yeah.
And I'm only talking just today, like a few months ago when you were away.
Oh yeah, yeah.
We were looking at them. You know what Shane's like, you sit in blank for 40 minutes looking at something and you leave, then you leave.
Yes. Alright, so you just measure the length and slap them in.
Slide it in.
Do they have like a little clamp or are they...
They've got wall hooks, because we're not going into the wall. Like they've got like a...
No, I mean when they go into the little...
Oh no, that's kind of cool. I'll show you here. Goes in. locks in, and to get it out, you just pull that bit forward.
Oh, Roger.
No, Roger's at last chance. I'm joking.
Oh, that's right.
People get confused. Like
I know.
the YouTube world about your travels.
Travels in Canada with Slim Krusty. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, where do we start? Jeez. So,
I mean, I've already heard it all, but
lots of driving.
lots of driving.
And it was good driving. Driving through the Rockies was cool. We did a lot of good boy behaviours. Now YouTube, I saw in the comments early on in the series that what's wrong with this fucking haircut? Did someone lose a bet? But look, it's coming into fashion, you see. I've started something here.
Yeah, well, we're gonna get this haircut and then go for a round of golf just as Joe though.
Yeah. We can all have the name Jotho, so Jotho wins and loses the game of golf. From the top rope. It's a bit better, goes a lot.
Hey?
She was just a bit white on your dome there, mate.
I bet Shane's gonna come out and be like, this is not what I want you to f***ing do. You done?
He doesn't do that too often.
Yeah.
Be pretty cool, I reckon, once it's done.
Yeah.
I wonder
Refreshing.
if all the rock and roll people of Collingwood.
Shower.
Yeah, well, no, well, most of the rock and roll people are pretty clean cut.
Yeah.
It's all you crust punks.
Yeah, don't shower. You got to shower in the beer garden at Tote.
Stinky, icky. Leave this in there.
Grow up.
Yeah, I know, right? On the silly sausage. Camera needs a tune up, mate. Oh, its bolt-on's about to bloody bolt off.
Hey?
Oh, everything's loose on this camera.
Oh. Fucking sun in my eyes. Yeah.
Yeah, you're getting paid good dollars for this, mate. It's bloody danger money.
I'm getting paid. What?
Oh, oh shit, I've put it up for Shane now, haven't I? Because then here's your 90 degree. Probably pretty good, I think.
Yeah. Should be right.
Cool. What do you got there, Jacob?
120.
120? Cut you up at 120?
Triple junctions off the black. Thank you.
It's alright.
Perfect, mate. Perfect.
Need the measuring tape, do you?
One sec. Spider web, dude.
Yeah, you'll be right. Are you scared of spideys?
Fucking oath I am.
Ah.
You don't remember when I was at your house and there's that spider up myself?
Oh, yeah. I suppose that's a pretty memorable moment.
I mean, it was a while ago now, but still.
I don't know, they don't bother me that bad.
Hey?
They just don't bother me that bad.
Oh, righto, tough guy.
Yeah.
Right.
It'll fit on that, but it won't fit on. Oh, that's a pain, isn't it?
Yeah.
Won't fit on plastic. Oh, there we go.
Alright, so we make a hose up out of there. What's happening to the back of your head?
I don't know what you're talking about. Right.
You got a mullet?
I showed you this on Saturday.
I know, but you didn't show the camera.
Nah, Joe already showed the camera earlier.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus, so this is the second
Actually,
mullet.
speaking about your last chance on Saturday,
Yeah.
I'm not going to name names of who said this, but I was actually asked next time we're filming to call you out for not being able to last a full late night anymore.
What do you mean?
You ducked out at like what, 4 a.m?
4:30?
Back in the day, you used to be there till fucking midday. You used to be there till open the next day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I had to go, I had stuff to do. What's this for, Jacob?
I have no clue. It was in the car when you picked me up. Well, not when you picked me up, when I got to your place.
Huh.
It's a speaker of some sort.
Oh, speaker
So
of
I
some
believe speakers, when you plug them in, they play audio out loud. So
Really? I think they do too.
yeah.
Yeah. I love your tool belt, mate.
Thanks, mate.
That's good tool belts.
Iron mine.
Look at that. Hey? Iron Mind the band.
Yeah.
They do belts.
They did, but they played, what show was it? The AWOL show
Oh, yeah.
earlier in the year.
Nice. So is this going to work, or am I going to have to fucking...
I hope it works. I've been spending all day on it. Since you weren't filming, let's pretend I was
Well,
doing
I'm
it.
doing other stuff.
Good to go.
You're going to show... Should we get Joe Tho to show everyone how to cut a hose?
Oi, Joe!
Like, if anyone's going to show anyone how to cut a hose,
Maybe got some hose.
Yes, please.
go on, show us how professional does it.
Like,
Do we need a bit to go?
everything.
Right. So if you're going to do it, this is the way to do it. You get a clean cut on it.
Yeah, pretty clean cut with the 6 tier.
Jesus, yeah, you're right. He's really got one specific length he cut.
Yeah, you only like to cut 15 centimetres, that's it. Gatorade bottle size.
Let's see how that's
Jesus.
going, notching him.
Yeah.
But these ones have been left outside a bit.
Oh, look at that. You do get a clean cut, don't you?
No
Hey?
burst, no burst.
Fucking someone knows how to do that. Yeah. And is that that's about the right size there, Joe, for that?
Oh, you probably got a bit longer. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Like usual, I've done all the fucking hard work and
Oh,
Shane's coming in last minute. Oh yeah, let's turn it off. Look what I did.
Oh, shit.
I didn't see you climb a ladder or hook a single hose up, mate. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Am I wrong?
What would you that on camera?
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did one little hose, and now you're jerking it.
Ready?
Yeah.
I want us to run it for 4 minutes. What? Oh, look. Oh, no, that's the trick thing. Go and take that one out as well. Right, you ready?
Yep.
Hey, let's go for a swim. Welcome to the Toast Wavy Gravy, Melbourne's only swim up bar.
Wavy Gravy.
Where every half an hour you get chips and gravy. And the boat comes out. And every Saturday night, there's a sushi boat.
This and a beer is fucking me.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Hey, Happy?
I'm happy.
But wait till we get it going first.
I'm telling you, you can get plants out here. Need a splash, I was thinking of fire.
Let's put the last one in and then he's going to turn it on for everyone and we're going to go, ooh, wow.
Are you filming today, Shane? You're the cameraman.
Wow! That's the one I was always going to do. That was a broken one. We just need to replace that tape.
Right,
Oh, it's caught on my neck.
right, I've got to go, Leanne. He's went for the big reveal and he's buggered it.
Wahoo!
Right, I'll speak to you later. Right. Right, turn her off. So is that the breather that you put there? Oh, camera.
I just need to work that over. Stretch my arm.
Uh-oh.
Tell me what to do. Good luck, pal.
Where are your goggles?
Oh, risky.
Where are your goggles?
What goggles? Goggles?
At Bunnings, where you didn't buy them.
Yeah, sorry, mate.
Swimming pool shop.
We stopped recording yesterday because
Jake, you've got to bend down. My arms aren't that long. I can't hold the camera up. My arms are sore and weak. I haven't had breakfast.
we stopped
Hungry.
recording yesterday when we were doing the sprinkler job.
Why?
No, because we finished up for the day. We were one little TP short, so Shane went and bought a
Oh, I
whole new
heard
box set
somebody
today.
broke something, didn't they? And Shane said that you blamed it on him.
I didn't blame it on anybody. I just said one of them's broken. You see,
See how cheeky he is?
yeah. So we were short one piece. So Shane sorted that out this morning, and I kicked Scott in the corner where it was needed it. And now I'm just going through and trimming all the zip ties.
Oh, my knee.
Oh.
I could become a tradie, that's it.
Using the wrong part again, there you go. Good work.
Show you. I am scared to go one more step. I'm really scared actually.
Alright, I'll be back.
Where are you going?
I'm going to get some stuff so we can not double handle everything.
Look how tall I am, Shane.
Yeah, you just be careful on the ladder. What are you doing, Billy?
You've been showing it for 2
You gotta
days,
get
Shane.
out of the road with the camera.
Oh, I can't show then. Okay.
You can. I'll see it. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Huh?
Innovative. Do you want to talk to the camera and tell people what you're doing?
Well, that's it. I'm not doing anything. I'm going to go home and do social media posts. I'll see how good this is working. I think he's done a good job.
He's done a really good job. Killed it.
Even though we're only going to need it like 4 or 5 days a year, it'll make a difference. I think.
I remember that day last year when Secret Spoons played in the front bar.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
And it was like a 100-degree day. They'll be handy. Can I hang up the phone now? I'm not the phone. Turn the camera off.
I've got to do the fucking, should I wait for Jacob to do the
Wait,
things?
Jacob.
Alright, go. Hold on, let me get out a bit.
Like, comment, subscribe. Oh wait, my leg's not high enough. No, that's too low. That looks tough. Ah.
No, you got to do the like, comment, subscribe bit.
You gotta actually break it too.
Will I? Can I?
If you're strong enough, you will.
Yeah.
Maybe that'll hurt you and I'm tougher than you.
I don't get.
Come on.
This guy. Alright. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah! I'm on the ground, I can do it.
Oh, okay. Alright.
I don't know if it's washing enough.
Just, I don't know if that fucking table's strong enough.
Am I going to hurt myself?
I don't know. Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment.
Oh.
I'm going to tell Gaz to edit.
That you're doing.
Edit your face on the knee.
No, edit my kick onto me breaking the wood. Like, comment, subscribe.
Oh. Right, thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Better Totes and Gardens. Right, did we explain why we took everything out of the kitchen?
Huh?
Do we?
Huh?
Oh, tune in for why we took all the stuff out of the kitchen. I don't think we filmed it. Doing it. Oh, there we go. Oh boy.